Our dogs definitely love the water, that's for sure. Look at Roscoe, he can jump pretty high now. Oh! Okay, so Daisy was having a little meltdown, so we had to turn the camera off real quick. Look at them, they're playing. They're so happy when Mama's in the kitchen. Look at these neat bowls I found at Walmart. These are tortilla bowls, and it looks like it comes with a baking bowl. This is for single use only. So it comes with 4 flour tortillas, but I don't know if I'm going to do these today. I think we're just going to do regular tacos. We're doing Taco Tuesday on a Monday because it's quick and it's easy, and you know how I like things that are quick and easy. But I bought some a taco dinner kit. I think I'm going to use that because I've got some soft shells also. But look how neat that is. I just think that's the neatest thing. So this is what happens when you don't plan ahead. Look, it's frozen, but that's okay. We're going to pop it right in here, and it will cook up nicely. Look how red that meat is. It's Walmart meat. I'm just going to turn it on low and let it cook low and slow. Pop a lid on it. Alright, Olivia's in there running the vacuum cleaner. Thank goodness. I love when she helps me out. You know, I come home from work and the dishes are done. If there's any dishes. We usually don't have a lot of dishes because I don't leave dishes. That's one thing I don't mind doing is dishes. I've always never really minded doing dishes. I kind of enjoy doing dishes. I know if that sounds kind of crazy, right? But I picked up third shift last night. I went to first, and I'm absolutely loving first shift. Been kind of working a lot lately. That's why I really haven't been putting a lot of vlogs out or recipes. Plus, I've been sick again. Can you believe that? You guys pray for healing for me because I get so tired of being sick. So tired of being sick. But it is what it is, I guess. You know, your body kind of. Your body's telling you you're overdoing things when, you know, it seems like you stay sick all the time. And I feel like I stay sick all the time. All the time. I'm going to cut some onions up here for our tacos. I like onions and tomatoes, and sometimes I'll put a little bit of lettuce on them. I love homemade tacos. But I'm off tomorrow, and I am going to try to film about 2 or 3 good recipes for you guys. I haven't put any recipes on here in a while, and you know that's the whole reason I started this channel was to do recipe videos, and I kind of got into started vlogging a little bit because I kind of have fun with it, and you know I love interacting with you guys, and you know I love reading your comments and stuff. But I think I'm gonna do some recipes tomorrow. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do. I gotta figure it out. But leave me in a comment below of some of the things you guys might want to see. Of course, you won't see them tomorrow. I won't be doing them tomorrow because I have a few ideas of what I might be doing tomorrow. But I gotta get out in the morning, get to the grocery store, and I just really want to film some recipe videos all day long. I kind of like to do something sweet and, you know, something savory. I don't know. But I want to get some stuff out there for you guys. And just while I'm chopping these onions, I like my onions small when I'm doing tacos. But I got a lot of new subscribers, and you know I just want to thank you guys for subscribing. And all my I mean you guys aren't old subscribers, but you know my faithful followers. I just really appreciate you guys so much. My channel's just kind of blossoming into something bigger than I ever imagined. You know, I don't do it for, I definitely don't do it for the money because, you know, unless you're a big YouTuber, you know, you really don't get paid a lot. You know, I do it for fun, and it's relaxing, And, you know, it's my outlet from, you know, all the other things in life that we deal with. We have to have an outlet, don't you agree? You know, some people, unfortunately, choose other outlets for recreation, you know, drugs, alcohol, you know, just bad things for their entertainment, but not me. I choose you guys. But I have a lot of fun with it, and like I said, I appreciate, you know, all my new subscribers, and I appreciate the comments, and I just love you guys so much. I really do. I really do. But I think this is going to be enough onion. What do you think? But anyway, what I was saying, leave me a comment below if there's some recipes, or, you know, anything that you would like for me to give you my spin on. Whoops, there's a couple onions left. You know, y'all know I love to cook. And I'm super excited about working days, so now I can get more time in my kitchen. But let me know. Let me know what you want to see. I had to show you this. Look at this. Look at that monster tomato I got at the grocery store. Isn't that beautiful? I should probably save this for sandwiches or something. But you know what? I don't foresee us eating sandwiches anytime soon, so I'm going to cut this sucker before it, you know, ruins. It looks beautiful. Beautiful. Kind of looks like one fresh out of the garden, doesn't it? Oh my gosh, I'm going to have to get out there and show you my garden. I cannot believe how it has like really grown. It looks amazing. I've got baby tomatoes on there. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. Look at that big beautiful piece of tomato. You know that would be good on? Just a mayonnaise sandwich with tomatoes. How many of you guys have ever had just mayonnaise and tomato sandwiches? I think they're delicious. Ain't nothing like a good fresh tomato. And like I said, my garden it's just growing so big. I need to get out there and get my tomatoes staked up. Maybe I can get that done this weekend if the rain ever stops. I swear I think we're all gonna have to build an ark before too long. Alright, so far we've got tomatoes and onions, so we're gonna cut some lettuce up now. We're just gonna do a little bit of lettuce. I got a little baby cabbage down there I need to do something with. I don't know what I'm gonna make with that. I might do some cabbage and potatoes. Do you guys ever remember eating that? I'm hungry. I'm sitting here thinking of all the good old things that my mama used to make. So good. Gotta peel the first leaves of the lettuce off because it's kind of not good looking, you know what I'm saying. Get my knife. Alright, so when I do lettuce for tacos, I just do it kind of thinly. I probably should turn it around the other way, but guess what? I'm right-handed, so God will see me lose a couple fingers if I do it left-handed. I just kind of, you know, do it like real thinly. Just kind of like in shreds. You can buy the lettuce in the shreds, and I've bought that before sometimes when we do salads, because I like to buy spinach as well. I like to add like an abundance of greens to my salads. I need to start eating more salads. Just put that on there. Look at that. 2 little tiny pieces, and look how much that made. That made a lot. And you know what's good about that? If you cut too much, hey, look at that. You can throw it in a bowl and throw it with the tomatoes and onions, and somebody can have salad the next day. Put a little bit of taco meat on top of it. Look, I'm just minding my own business here doing stuff. Look how pretty that is. Yep, on my Christmas plate. All right, let's crack this baby up and see what we got in here. It says taco dinner kit, so. Oh, look how they package the shells perfectly. Thick and smooth taco sauce, and then taco packet seasoning. Plus, I got like 2 pounds of hamburger in there, so I'm gonna use one of these too. I thought I bought 2 of them, but obviously. See guys, I told you I could turn that big blob of frozen meat into some tacos. A little patience, you can do anything. Am I right?